माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, कैसे हैं आप लोग। उम्मीद करती हूँ आप सब अच्छे होंगे। पार्ट 10 द बुक थीफ रिटन बाय मार्कस ज़्यूज़ैक। बुक थीफ पार्ट 10 featuring the end of a war, the end of a world, the 98th day, a war maker, way of the words, a catatonic girl, confessions, Ilsa Herman's little black book, some ribcage planes, and burning snowflakes. Chapter number 73, The End of the World. Part 1. Again, I offer you a glimpse of the end. Perhaps it's to soften the blow for later, or to better prepare myself for the telling. Either way, I must inform you that it was raining on Himmel Street when the world ended for Leisure Meminger. The sky was dripping, like a tap that a child has tried its hardest to turn off but hasn't quite managed. At first, the drops were cool. I felt them on my hands, and as I walked down from Fraudulous in the middle of the road. Above me, I could hear them. Though the overcast sky, I looked up the saw and saw the tin can planes. I watched their stomachs open and drop the bombs casually out. They were off target, of course. They were often off target. A small sad hope. No one wanted to bomb Himmel Street. No one would bomb a place named after him, heaven. Would they? Would they? The bombs came down, and soon the clouds would bake, and the cold raindrops would turn to ash. Hot snowflakes would shower to the ground. In short, Himmel Street was flattened. Houses were splashed from one side of the street to the other. A framed photo of a very serious looking Farrar was bashed and broken on the shattered floor. Yet he smiled. In that serious way of his, he knew something we didn't know, but I knew something he didn't know. All while people slept, Rudy Stinner slept, Mama and Papa slept, Frau Hotzefeld, Frau Diller, Tommy Miller, all sleeping, all dying. Only one person survived. The She survived because she was sitting in a basement reading through the story of her own life, checking for mistakes. Previously, the room had been declared too shallow for a shelter. Too shallow for a shelter. But on that night, October 7, it had been enough. The shells of wreckage cantered down the hours later, when the strange unkempt silence settled itself in mulching, the local LSC could hear something and something, an echo down there. Somewhere a girl was hammering a paint tin with a pencil. They all stopped with bent ears and bodies, and when they heard it again, they started digging. Passed items. Passed items. Head on to hand to hand. Blocks of cement and roof tiles, a piece of wall with a dripping sun painted on it, an unhappy looking accordion peering through its eaten case. They threw all of it upwards when another piece of broken wall was removed. One of them saw the book thief's hair. The man had such a nice laugh. He was delivering a newborn child. I can't believe it. She is alive. There was so much joy amongst the cluttering calling men, but I could not fully share their enthusiasm. Earlier, I did held Papa in one arm and her Mama in the other. Each soul was so soft. Further away, their bodies were laid out like the rest. Papa's lovely silver eyes were already staring to rust, and Mama's cardboard lips were fixed half open, most likely the shape of an incomplete snore. The rescuing hands pulled Leisure out and brushed the crumbs of rubble from her clothes. Young girl, they said, the sirens were too late. What were you doing in the basement? How did you know? What they didn't notice was that the girl was still holding the book. She screamed her reply, a stinging scream of the living papa. At a second time her face creased, As she reached a higher, more panic-stricken pitch, "Papa, Papa!" They passed her up. They passed her up as she shouted, wailed, and cried. If she was injured, she did not yet know it, for she struggled free and searched and called and wailed some more. She was still clutching the book. She was holding desperately onto the words who had saved her life. यहाँ पे होता है हमारा चैप्टर नंबर 73 खत्म. मिलेंगे हम विद चैप्टर नंबर 74, द 98th डे, from the book The Book Thief, written by Marcus Zusak. Bye for now, my dear friends. और मुझे आप कमेंट्स में ज़रूर बताइए नेक्स्ट बुक कौन सी लूँ. एंड थैंक यू माय डियर व्यूवर्स, फ्रेंड्स एंड सब्सक्राइबर्स. बाय फॉर नाउ.